everybody, here I am with my husband trying to fix something in his car, in his Volvo.
Yeah. So I have been noticing when it rains, the driver's side floorboard is wet, and I wasn't quite sure where the leak was coming from, whether it was from the door, we have the sunroof in here. Upon further inspection, we have determined that it is indeed from the tubing that I'm pointing, the tubing that comes down the A-pillar.
Sorry for my great video skills.
So we're going to
Recording
dive in here and see if we can diagnose the problem. Let's check it out. So I've pried these little covers off here. I got a 10mm socket with an extension. I didn't actually look up how to do this, so I'm just kind of winging it. We'll see if this is actually what you have to do.
That sounds perfect.
There's one screw and another. There we go.
Ton ton ton.
Yeah, I imagine that Volvo, like there are these safety clips everywhere. I pull this out. Okay, there we go.
Ooh.
We are in there like swimwear. Ah, there's your problem right there. It's just completely disconnected. So all this water
Of course.
draining right. Okay, so if we can just get that back into place. Wow, that was easier than I thought. Well, let's test it and let's see what happens. We have a. Are you ready?
I am.
Oh, okay. we have a hose. I'm gonna open the sunroof a little bit after I turn the car on. Accessory. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, there it is. See that little hole right there? That's where the water that comes in drains out. There's one on the passenger side too. There you go. Just gonna, kind of just run a little water through the hole. So we're gonna run some water through here. You can go inside and show the tube.
Look at the tube right here. And before, like you guys saw, it was, leaking out of here. And now what it's doing is, you can see everything coming down here. So, it's perfect. We fixed it. Well, he fixed it.
Yeah, we fixed it. Cool. Let's put the frame back together. Just gonna make sure this is nice and secure before putting this back on. When in doubt, just
Force.
give it the old Fonzie. It's not very good advice. Don't. Don't. Once we get this back in, we'll test the passenger side, see if there are any issues over there. I haven't seen any wetness on that side of the car, but while we're here, might as well check it real quick. Maybe.
More fancy.
That one liked it. There we go. Okay. Cool. Same thing on the passenger side. Alright, you should see water coming down.
Yes, there's water coming down. This one is fine.
So in a very quick Google search when I was looking this problem up, I actually saw people mention those tubes getting clogged. So maybe debris gets down in those pipes. It seemed like a pretty simple fix for us in this case. Hopefully that helps you out.